Hey, what's up guys? So today's video is going to be a very interesting one because in this video I'm going to tell you about all the differences that I have noticed using my Galaxy Watch 4 after using Galaxy Watch 3. Now the software on both of these watches will seem pretty similar despite the fact that Galaxy Watch 3 or pretty much any other previous Galaxy Watch was using Tizen OS as their software, whereas Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic are running on Wear OS. But the reason for the similarities is because Samsung has plastered one UI over Wear OS on Galaxy Watch 4. So both of these watches will look and feel pretty similar in a lot of aspects. A lot of settings and menus are still the same, and look and feel of the watch is overall pretty similar. But there are still some changes here in terms of visuals and how the watch looks and feel, and that is going to be the first difference that I want to talk about. On Galaxy Watch 3, to go to the app drawer, you will press this button and we will see this rotary view, while on Galaxy Watch 4 now we have a swipe up to go into the app drawer, which has this very regular look and feel. Another difference that you can see here right away is the fact that the icons on Galaxy Watch 4 are much bigger as compared to the icons on Galaxy Watch 3, and this theme also continues in quick setting shortcuts. So here you will again see that the icons on Galaxy Watch 4 are a little bit bigger than Galaxy Watch 3. On Tizen OS Galaxy Watch, you will long press on the watch face and then you can rotate quickly to view multiple watch faces at the same time. Sadly, this feature is now gone on Wear OS Galaxy Watch 4, so you can long press to go through the watch faces, but you can try rotating the bezel quickly and it won't work. On Tizen OS Galaxy Watch, you could go in settings, go in display, and here you could change the background style. So you can select any one of these and then come back and you would see them as your background style there. And this feature is also gone on Galaxy Watch 4. So you can go in settings, go in display, but you will not find this background feature on Galaxy Watch 4. Next up, on both of these watches, if there is an activity going on in the background like you are tracking your workout, you will see these ongoing icons at the bottom, which will tell you that there is something going on in the watch in the background. And on Tizen OS Galaxy Watch, you could actually change where you want to position this ongoing icon, and for that you would simply go in watch faces and here go in ongoing icons and select position, and here you could change their position. Now this feature can be handy if there is a certain information that's showing at the bottom of the display, or you are just more comfortable with showing ongoing icons either at the right or at the left or at the bottom. Sadly, this feature is now also gone on Wear OS using Galaxy Watch 4, where you don't have the option to change the position of these ongoing icons. Next up, we had good night mode on Galaxy Watch 3, but now it's called bedtime mode on Galaxy Watch 4, and there are some differences here as well. So now when you will turn on the bedtime mode on Galaxy Watch 4, it will also turn on the do not disturb mode. And if you have synced do not disturb mode between your Galaxy Watch 4 and your phone, do not disturb mode will also be activated on your phone and you will not get any calls or messages, whereas that was not the case on Galaxy Watch 3. Another difference here is that on Galaxy Watch 3, when you turn on the good night mode, you can also turn on this option, turn on daily, and your watch will then sense your sleeping patterns and turn on the good night mode automatically at the time of your sleeping. Whereas this option is now gone on Galaxy Watch 4, and instead you have a scheduled option where you can turn on as scheduled and the bedtime mode will turn on or off as you scheduled it. On Galaxy Watch 3, there was no way to control notifications or detailed notifications on the watch itself. So if you go in settings, you will not find any menu that says notifications or any notification controls. But that is not the case now on Galaxy Watch 4, where you can go in settings and you will find this notification tabs, and here you can control your notifications, your do not disturb mode, whether you want to turn your screen on when you get a notification or not. So all of these settings are here now. However, there is one feature that they have removed on Galaxy Watch 4, and it was a pretty useful feature actually. So on Galaxy Watch 3 or any of the previous Galaxy Watch running on Tizen OS, there was an option to turn on the notifications without viewing the details. So it would hide the details on your watch until you tap on the notifications. This feature is now sadly gone on Galaxy Watch 4. Moving on, the next difference is in the app settings on both of these watches. So on Galaxy Watch 3, if you go in here, you will see things like layout, auto open apps, app order and stuff like that. But we see something very interesting on Galaxy Watch 4. If you go in here, we could now choose default apps. So here you can choose default digital assistant app, and I'm guessing when Google Assistant becomes available, this is where you could change Google Assistant and set that as default assistant over Bixby. and then we have options to select home app and phone app here. There's no such option that exists on Galaxy Watch 3. Next up, on Tizen OS running Galaxy Watch 3, you could go in settings, go in battery, which is down here, and here you could go in power mode and change the different power saving settings. But there is this optimized battery option if you don't want to choose any power saving mode, and here you can change these settings and optimize your battery. There is no such option that exists anymore in the battery on Galaxy Watch 4. You either have power saving or down below watch only mode, and that's about it. Samsung has also made some changes when it comes to location settings on the watch itself. So on Tizen OS running Galaxy Watch 3, you could go in location settings, and here you can turn on location, and then you could also turn on different methods for location. So that includes GPS and wireless networks alone, or GPS alone, or both of them, and stuff like that. Whereas no such option now exists on Galaxy Watch 4. So you can only turn on location and improve accuracy, and then that's pretty much about it. Alright, now moving along, when we go in display settings on both of these watches, there is another difference here. And on Galaxy Watch 3, you could set screen timeout all the way from 10 seconds to 5 minutes. But on Galaxy Watch 4, if you go in screen timeout, we have 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute only. So this 5-minute option is now gone. And finally, the last change that I want to talk about is Samsung Health settings. So if we go in settings on both of these watches, here on Tizen OS Galaxy Watch, you will not find any Samsung Health settings in settings app, whereas Samsung has now included Samsung Health in the settings app here. So if you go in here, you can access all Samsung Health settings here. While on Galaxy Watch 3 or any of the previous Galaxy Watch, to access health settings, you would need to go in Samsung Health app and there go in settings. Now here you will also see that they have organized Samsung Health settings in a much better way on Galaxy Watch 4, whereas everything is scattered and haphazardly staged on Galaxy Watch 3. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these settings here. So on Galaxy Watch 4, if you go in notifications, you will have your inactive time alerts here, high heart rate and low heart rate alerts, daily activity steps, auto detect workout, sleep. So all of these notifications and alerts are in one place. And if you go in measurement, here you will find your heart rate measurement to measure continuously every 10 minutes or manual only, and then stress measurement, you can play around with that, blood oxygen during sleep, and snow detection. Then we have auto detect workouts, and here you can turn on these different workouts that you want the watch to auto detect, and you can also turn on record location option for walking and running. And finally, the most interesting feature that they've included on Galaxy Watch 4 is connected services. So if you go in here, you will find that you can now connect this watch to different health platforms if you have downloaded any on your watch, and then same for exercise machines. So you can connect your treadmills and stuff like that with your watch, and you can see the heart rate, and finally you can also connect this watch to TV. So that's pretty interesting on Galaxy Watch 4, and no such option is available on Galaxy Watch 3. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were some of the changes that I have noticed between Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 3, between Wear OS and Tizen OS. Now I also want to hear from you, what changes have you noticed or I may have missed, and how do they impact your usage of your Galaxy Watch? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.